I've set the thread for the maximum earphones experience, Melobuds Pro. Let's check it out. There it is, and of course I'm very excited. Wow. In the box we do have high-res wireless LDAC Melobuds Pro, 6 microphones, 46 dB adaptive ANC space sound effect. Oh wow. Manual. Accessories. So tips and small cable, USB Type-C to A. Let me zoom a little bit for you. And there you go, USB Type-C with a power button, I guess. Indicator. Here you go. Well, let's take one of them. Let's take the foam out, and I can see there's one microphone. There's a second one. There's a logo, which is right. And the third one should be, there it is. So 3 microphones on every one of them. So 6 microphones. And that's for the ANC. It will listen, at least I think so. App which you can easily connect to it. And when you do have a power, which is left. Tons of option like equalizer. You can customize it if you wanted to. But there are some presets like classic, soft, rock, heavy bass, pop, default, and spatial sound, which is super cool. Noise cancellation is amazing. Incredible how advanced it is. Transparency mode, so you can hear outside noise. And normal, which is without noise cancellation. There's also adaptive noise cancellation, so it will adapt to the environment, which is super cool. Unfortunately, I cannot show you that because how? Well, indoor quiet environment and commuting, very noisy environment such as commuting. Noisy, all kinds, and anti-wind noise cancellation. They all works flawlessly. And you can change the balance of the sound, front and back. If you go to the settings, then you can change the touch, the control, beep, wear detections, time power off, disconnected and power off in 5 minutes, gaming mode for less latency, sleeping mode, LDAC switch, which is super cool, dual device connectivity, firmware update, and let's go back. See that shortcut? Then you can control, it will prompt you with your available app. It will control YouTube music. There you go. And that's my available apps, but of course, you most likely have more. I bet you can hear that noise behind me. Let's try it out. That's 1, that's 2, engage. Wow, now that is a difference. Active noise cancellation.
There's a star waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds.
I love the fact that you can control without swiping, just press. And you'll be greeted with a fantastic sound experience. Okay, most likely I'm shouting because the ANC and how loud they are loud. Not extremely loud, but loud. The sound itself, they are not a bassy earbuds. No. Mids and highs are nicely separated, also lows. But lows are a little bit they are a little bit on the back. It would be nice if they had a little bit more bass to it. Of course, you can do equalizer adjustment and be all fine. High quality, not overwhelming. Great. Link in the description. See you next video.